What do you call a child who dies young, then seems to come back to the same family over and over again? In Igbo tradition, one answer is Ogbanje. In Yoruba tradition, one answer is Abiku. And before the internet flattens them into the same spooky headline, we need to slow down because they are related but not identical. Ogbanje is often framed as a soul trapped in a destructive cycle of return. Abiku is often framed as a spirit visitor whose true home is still in the spiritual realm. That difference matters. It changes the grief, the ritual response, and what the family thinks they are fighting. For Ogbanje, one of the most haunting details is the Uwa, a hidden object believed to tie the child to the cycle. For Abiku, one of the most moving details is naming. Names like Malomo, Durajaye, and Rotimi were not just names. They were pleas. Stay, do not go again, remain in this life. Now here is where modern people rush in and say, was this really illness, child mortality, or sickle cell? Some scholars do make those links, but that does not give us permission to flatten sacred traditions into one clean medical answer. Sometimes a culture is not only naming an illness, sometimes it is naming what repeated loss feels like from the inside.